Guys, once again, so today in this video we are going to talk about a very special concept: propagation vector, electric field and magnetic field directions. So we are basically considering an electromagnetic wave, and electromagnetic wave is a transverse wave. You can see in this figure, electric field is appearing in this direction, magnetic field is acting in the perpendicular direction, and the wave is propagating in general in perpendicular direction to both the direction of electric and magnetic field. That is why this is known as transverse wave. Okay, now in different examination you are asked, like, electric field expression is given to you, and from that you sometimes asked to calculate the magnetic field direction. So how will you do that? So first of all, we need to know about the propagation direction, which is denoted by the wave vector k. Actually, k is this most important thing when you are talking about the wave propagation. K dot r, it is a general expression, and the generalization of this k dot r is kz. Okay, so we'll just write the expression of the electric field, and in this figure you can see this is the direction of r, this is the direction of k cap dot r, if this is the direction of k. So we are writing the electric field. Electric field is a function of, we can write it as r and t. So we'll write the amplitude, which is E naught, with this complex amplitude, e to the power exponential I into k dot r minus omega t. Okay, e to the power I k dot r. We are writing the general expression minus omega t, and let's say the direction is n cap. Okay, now if this is electric field, how can I write the magnetic field? Magnetic field is written B of r t, and you can consider that these are complex. Okay, we are writing in complex form. So B of r t will be 1 by c E naught e to the power I k dot r minus omega t. Now n cap is the direction of electric field, magnetic field is directed in the perpendicular direction. So what you can write, this we can write k cap cross n cap, because cross product of these two vectors will give a perpendicular vector, and k is in the perpendicular direction to this n cap. So we are writing this, and it has a simpler expression, which is 1 by c k cap cross E. Okay, so if you are given E, using this relation you can easily find out the expression for B. Okay, n cap is the direction of the polarization vector, unit vector along the polarization, this direction of, or it is also simply known as the polarization vector. Remember this thing, the direction of basically the electric field vector is known as the polarization vector. Now if the reverse thing is given, if you are given magnetic field, how can you calculate electric field? Then you can utilize this formula E of RT. Okay, this is equals to minus C times K cap cross P. So these are two very important formula. One is this one, which is a very important formula, minus C times K cap cross B, and this, if we write B here, so from E we can find B using this relation, and we can find E from B using this relation. And n cap is the direction of the electric field, and k cap is the direction of the wave vector. Okay, so if you take the dot product, they are perpendicular, so the dot product will be 0. This is a simple fact. Now let me just give you one example of this thing. So you can look at this problem. The electric field is of a plane electromagnetic wave is given by this. The magnetic field of this is given by. So you can just have a solution of this very easily. So let's write the solution. What is given? Given your electric field E as E of zt. So the real part is given. Okay, so you can express the electric field in complex notation also, and you can only express the real part, E naught sine kz plus omega t y cap. So you can notice various thing from here. Kz is k dot r, okay, and y cap is the direction of the electric field, or polarization direction is y cap. From this we can easily say that the direction of the wave propagation is z cap. Fine. So to calculate the magnetic field, what formula we can use? We can utilize this formula. B is equals to k cap. Okay, so we can also write it in this way. If you write k vector k, instead of writing the unit vector, you can write k cross E by omega. Fine. Now from this, kz plus omega t, so we can see as it is plus, we can say that wave is propagating in the negative z direction. Okay, so here k value should be taken as minus k z cap. Cross E is given to you this E naught sine kz plus omega t y cap divided by omega. So this is k into E naught by omega z cap cross y cap. So we can consider this x cap, y cap and z cap. Z cap cross y cap, we are going in an anti-clockwise sense, so that is minus, and this minus is absorbed, so plus. So plus x cap. So this is sine kz plus omega t into x cap, which is matching with option. Which option is it matching with? A, right? So in this way you can easily solve this kind of problem. So I hope you have understood how we can convert, we can go from electric field to magnetic field, or magnetic field to electric field, using this formula. So you have to remember these two formulae. So I hope you find this video useful. Before I end this video, let me just tell you guys, you can follow me on Unacademy Plus. This is my profile. You can visit my profile by visiting this URL, unacademy.com/physics hub, and you can get all the detailed course like mathematical physics, classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, electromagnetic theory, quantum matter physics, etc. And a lot of benefits are there of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. You can get daily live classes, partly and full length tests, assignments, proper structured course, whole syllabus course, and many more benefits are there. You can just pause and read all of them. And one announcement, guys, price hike is going to happen by 20% on May 31st. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription before that using our referral code physics. You can see these are the subscription plans available for you: 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. If you apply this referral code physics, Unacademy will give you the maximum benefits. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. See you in the next video.